In this video, we will discuss about constitution point. So before moving to constitution point, we will discuss about types of phase diagram. We have discussed about phase diagrams in the last lecture. So what are the different types of phase diagrams? So phase diagram classifications are unary, unary diagram, unary diagram. Then you have binary diagram, binary diagram, and then you have ternary diagram. Okay. Unary diagram is means there is only one component. Okay. So in the last example, in last lecture, we have seen a phase diagram involving two components. Here in binary diagram, you have two components. Okay, two components. And in ternary diagram, you have three components. Okay, you have three components. Okay, now we will move to what is a constitution point. What do you mean by a constitution point? So in the previous uh, diagram, we have discussed about copper nickel alloy. Okay, that is a copper nickel alloy. Here you have copper and here you have nickel. Here you have 1084 degrees Celsius and here you have 1453 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we were able to mm, generate a phase diagram. Now let us look at what is a constitution point. Constitution point means a point is x comma t. X indicates composition and t is the this is x. It is percentage of nickel. So a point on the phase diagram, phase diagram representing an alloy of composition composition X held in equilibrium temperature. Held in equilibrium temperature. Okay. That means constitution point is a point we are choosing. For example, we can choose a point here, let it be A. So we are selecting a point in the phase diagram corresponding to a particular composition, the X and temperature, that is for a particular composition A. You can select another point also maybe here. Okay. So here, if you select another point, this is also a constitution point. So that means this is B. So B is you have maybe I'll call it X2 and this is T2. Let's call it T1 and X1. It is X1 and T1. So this is X2 and T2. That it has got the point B has got a different composition and different temperature. So that is at a separate phase. So we have selected a composition point. You know what is a constitution point? Then we will try to answer based upon this constitution point. We will ask three questions. We need to be able to answer this uh, from the phase diagram. So the first question is, what are the phases present? What are the phases present in equilibrium? What are the phases present in equilibrium? Second question is, what are the composition? What are the composition of phases present. Faces present. Third question, what are the relative amounts of the faces present? Faces present. So we will look at these in a subsequent lecture. So mainly we should be able to answer these three questions from the phase diagram.